Let's see what we got here. Oh, GNS. Probably hydro. Boring. What? GNS traction! Oh my god! It's a GNS traction! Holy fuck, it's Gallaher and Speck traction! Oh my god! I thought we would never find one. Yup, it's a GNS traction. Oh my god! It has been found. It has been found. A GNS traction. Single speed, too. Look at this cow. Look at it. It's really definitely not taken in Chicago, that's for sure. And I would assume not in Illinois. I don't know, I can't tell, I think this, no, that's a photograph. Oh my god! It's a GNS traction! Oh my god! Oh my god, I cannot believe I found a GNS traction. First GNS traction to ever be found.